Hey guys, so today's video is going to be DIY oil, and on today's video I'm doing turmeric oil using the turmeric powder. So if you want to see how I made that, keep on watching. So to make the turmeric oil, you don't need too much of ingredients. All you need is turmeric powder. You can use the turmeric root if you have it, but in the country I live it's hard to find. That's why I'm using this powder, and at the same time I want to show you how you can make your turmeric oil using the powder. You can get the powder for any store, any supermarket close to you. It's easy to find, and also you can also get it at the big supermarket, at your African store, so it's not really difficult to get. So this is how it is. And then also I will just go ahead and show you the next thing, which is the carrier oil I'm using. I'm using coconut oil, 100% pure coconut oil. You can use any other carrier oil like olive oil, almond oil, and also grapeseed oil. So to make this, you also need a jar bottle. You can use bigger one, depend on the quantity you are making. So in the jar bottle, I'll just go ahead and pour in the turmeric powder. I'll just pour enough of it, like 3 to 4 teaspoons. You can use a tablespoon. So guys, I will just pour the coconut oil on the turmeric powder and then mix it together very well with my spoon. You have to do this step so that all of them will be well combined together, and then I will proceed to use a double boiler method to do this. Don't eat the oil directly with the fire. You have to use the double boiler method so that there will be barrier in this. That's why I'm using the double boiler method, and I've used this several times on my videos. So if you have been watching my videos, you will know this. So guys, that is it. So guys, these are it will look like after you have mixed everything together. It will look kind of creamy and thick. You know, is oil and powder. You know, when you mix these two together, they look creamy. They kind of fall creamy. So that is how this is how it is after you mix everything together. So guys, you can see it look like. You will see the separation later. So I just want to show you, just want you guys to see the view of how it will look after you have mixed everything together. So moving on to the next step is using the double boiler method. Then I will just place the jar bottle on the boiling water and then cover it. Not cover it totally, cover the bottle. I will cover the jar bottle, not the pot, you understand. So that is what I will do, and I will just let it on to sit on the boiling water for about 10 to 15 minutes before turning off the gas. So guys, this is how it looks like. So I'll just bring it out of the water and then just cover it and wrap it with a foil paper. This is how it look like. I see there's a lot of different now. So after wrapping it, after covering it with the cover and wrapping it with a foil paper, then I'll put it in a cool dry place on my kitchen, and then let it and leave it for a week or more, I max 2 weeks, but I leave mine for up to 3 weeks before using it. So this I look like. You can see the transformation. So guys, this is it after 2 weeks. Then I'll just go ahead and strain the oil from the turmeric powder. So guys, be mindful, this stains a lot. So if you are working on a surface, make sure to be careful so that it won't stain everywhere. But anyway, even though it stains, it can also remove. You can wash it and it will remove. Wash it with a soap with a jig, it will remove. So guys, I'll just go ahead and strain it out completely. And then, so this oil, you can use it for your DIYs, you can use it for your skin, you can use it on your skin, but don't use it and leave it. After using it, you have to wash it out. I don't know if I make any sense. If you rub it on your skin, wash it out. You can mix it with honey, with your regular face mask instead of using the powder, so you can just use the both together. So guys, this really works a lot. It will lighten your skin, it will help with cleaning your pimples and other. So you can just rub the oil on your skin and then leave it for a few minutes and then wash it off. So guys, this is how it is. This is how I do the turmeric oil, and this is how it went. Hope you learned something. I'll just leave it for you to watch the rest of the video. So if you know you have not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell, because so guys, this is how it is after straining out the oil. You can see how well it comes out well, and I will just go ahead and add about 6 to 7 drops of essential oil. The first essential oil I will use is the tea tree oil, and I will also use peppermint oil. So I'll just drop it on it. You can skip the part if you don't have the essential oil at home. You can just decide to use it directly. So this turmeric oil is really good. I'm really enjoying it. I've been using it for some time now and it's good. I miss it. I use it to mix my black soap or black soap. If you check my previous video, we see that there. And I also use it for my face mask. I also use it for other things. So you can use serve different purpose, but don't rub it on your skin without washing it out, because it stains a lot. Your face will just appear so yellowing as if you rub palm oil on your face, red oil on your face. So don't do that. So guys, I'll just go ahead and pour it on my jar bottle. This bottle I use is almond bottle I use, and also use it to store my carrot oil, but I've already washed it. That's why you see the label there. I do label my oil because I have a lot of DIY oil, so I label it so that I don't get confused. That's why you see the carrot oil on the label. But anyway, I'll just go ahead and also write my turmeric oil on it, so that if I want to use it, I will not mistake it for a carrot oil. So guys, that is it for this video. This I make my turmeric oil using the turmeric powder. So guys, hope you really learned something from this video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and as well share with your friends to your other social media platform, and stay tuned for more video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.